Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to play and control Dino game using laptop or any other device, and the live score and the motion are going to be displayed on this OLED wirelessly using ESP32 Wi-Fi feature. Now connect the serial clock pin of the OLED with pin number 22. Connect serial data pin to pin number 21, and finally connect the power pins of the OLED with the power rails of the breadboard. Now note that these connections are for DevKit V1 version of the ESP32 which I am having right now. But if you are having different version of the ESP, then you are required to check out the exact pinout of that ESP32 because different ESPs have different pins for the I2C communication protocols. Now this is the mini simulation demonstrating the working of this project. So the working starts by hosting a web page on a web browser by the ESP32. And in my case, I am using the laptop to control this Dino game. You can use any other device to control it. Now we are establishing the communication between these two using the WebSocket. Okay. Now this web browser sends a jump command like this. Okay, using the Wi-Fi network, and then this ESP32 process that command and update the OLED screen accordingly, like this. Now this is the Arduino program of this project, and I'm not going to explain you the entire program because it is very long. It will take too much time. You can check it out using the link in the description. So we are defining the screen width and height of the OLED display, and in this line we are creating one instance of that OLED display. Now this Wi-Fi settings are going to be in the open network. It means anyone can connect with this network, ESP32 Dino game. And these are the game variables: game over, which is currently false, and this is the score. And these are the pixel map of the dinosaur and the cactus, right? And these are some of the physics settings like ground Y, Dino XY coordinate, velocity in the vertical direction, gravity and jump strength. So how did you like this video? Let me know in the comment section, and I will bring another video next time. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and thanks for watching it.